Hey friends, if you wish to turn on or off internet printing in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for Windows features and then go to turn Windows features on or off. Now scroll down to print and document services. If you expand it, you'll find this option for internet printing client. If you uncheck it and then click on OK, it will disable internet printing on your system, and this will need a while to take effect. But usually, I don't want to do this. I mean, I want to be able to print through the internet. So if I want it on, then I can simply return to the same page, expand it, and then check this box and then click on OK. So it will need a few seconds to replicate the changes. And finally, you will have to restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.